So, hi everybody. Today we're doing shepherd's loving pie. Today we have my dear sister. Sorry, the dog was coming. And we have my BFFFFF. Drum rolls, please. Noah! And we're gonna say the ingredients, starting with Noah.
So one ingredient that we're using is potatoes.
And remember, the potatoes have to be in warm water for 30 minutes until they are soft. As you can see, some are cracking. And the next ingredient is onions. The onions take the bacteria off like this.
Shoo shoo.
And we have ghee, which I also want to put.
And we also have salt here. This is Celtic salt because it's a special salt because of all its magnesium.
We also have ground beef. And this little thing, which is orange like a rainbow.
It's a pepper. It can be anything.
Not purple. We also have olives. We're gonna start working the magic with the onions. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it didn't work. 1, 2.
Oh no, no funciona.
Let's do it together. Uno, do it. Wow, it worked together now. So now I have a big question for you. You can take your time. Okay. Why do you like cooking?
I like cooking because you make things that are delicious and it doesn't you don't have to be on your phone. It's just easy.
Why do you think eating healthy?
I think that eating healthy is good to keep your body without the bad bacteria and so you don't get sick or you don't have cavities.
Noah, can you please give me the pan so I can put the ghee in?
Of course.
So guys, I'll get a spoon to put the ghee. Let's do it. This is not hard for me. I'm sorry. See?
No,
And nobody help. Sure. I'm gonna put the spoon in. Has control for a second. I don't put it yet. Okay.
no, that's all.
So we're gonna replace olive oil with ghee because you can't cook olive oil. Now, this ghee has to go inside. Now we're gonna put a little bit of salt. When I wash my hands, it works like butter, but instead it's a healthy butter. So ghee is just fat. Fat is super good for you. It's from a cow. So as you can see, if you, let's say you cook butter and then you cook olive oil, your stomach can get very sick. So instead, if you use the fat, it's better. So we're gonna put the onions in the fire until they're transparent. Let's go. We're gonna put the fire in medium. And we're gonna leave it until it's transparent. You know why we're putting the tap? The levels of the hotness go up and down, and that makes it easier for cooking, and I recommend you to do it. We're gonna smash the potatoes. Nina, can you pass me the bowl and the Yes. We'll put the bowl. Noah, what's your favorite Italian song?
My favorite Italian song is a really fun song called Fratelli di Pasta.
Oh, I also know it. Yes,
Yes, it's in la testa.
la victoria se proclamó, Italia la creó. Corte se pronti alla morte, se pronti alla morte, Italia chiamò. Stringiamo la corte, se pronti alla morte, se pronti alla morte, Italia chiamò. Sì!
So that was the Italian the Italian song called Fratelli d'Italia. And it's a really fun song that I learned at school.
Me too. But for me it's worse.
How does it?
Because they're fighting. It's normal.
So now we're just mashing the potatoes. In Italian you would say adesso mashiamo I patate.
Adesso masciami le patate.
Try out.
I'm gonna go put the onion in.
Well, me and me, that just struck the mashed potatoes.
And this looks good, trust me.
And why is it important to keep it low?
Because if you keep it high, maybe the onions can turn into fire and then you can get a fire emergency and you're gonna have to get out.
And not to your front.
We don't want to burn them also.
Because then that's wasting a whole onion and
That comes from earth and that's very bad.
we're starting to put the mashed potato in the bowl so then we can cut the pepper and that's our next step. Here's the orange pepper.
So we're gonna cut the peppers. Nova, can you please give me the knives?
Of course.
It's so yummy. Go on. On top of the fork. And that's all.
With a knife.
I'm just.
And why is it important to take out the seeds, Jasmine?
Because the seeds are very bad for your stomach and they're bitter, so you don't really want. What is bitter?
Cool.
This kind of looks like a star.
A shooting star.
Just add the thing.
Oh, look.
Aww. Yes, we'll just go with the blue star. If you check it out, there's actually a star.
It looks like a plum.
Wow, that looks like a sour for me. I mean, Rufus. Stop talking. It's not only the other one in all of it. And many of them.
So where do we put it now, Jasmine?
We're gonna put it with the onions when we're gonna cook.
I'm gonna teach you the song about and it's the story about this guy who lives in the United States of America but he doesn't speak English. So,
Americano, americano, sei nata in Italia. Papà americano, 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 ma sei nato in Italia. Americano. Then why do you say Hey, who grabbed my pepper? Nobody cut it off. It isn't an onion. I didn't say onion.
yes, you did.
I did. Yes, you didn't. Well, you didn't. You also. Let's cut the drama.
Now we're just gonna chop up the onion.
We don't do that. So we're gonna open the onions because this is burning hot.
I'm gonna put the peppers right now. Jasmine, do we use this to cut it up?
Yeah. So while my BFFFFFFF is chopping the pepper. Nina is stirring the onion.
Pepper with the onions, and now I'm just gonna put this lot of pepper into the pepper with the onions.
We're gonna put the salt.
And it's a very important ingredient.
So right now, I'm gonna put the beef right here, as you can see, in that bowl. Now, can you please pass me the bowl? It's very important that it's happy meat from happy cows.
And if you have a sad cow, I'm not sure if they'll have sad milk.
So Noah's gonna show you something before I put the meat.
The blood with some water from the potato is really healthy, so don't dump out the blood.
And don't call it disgusting.
Because it's actually really good. Now we're just going to use some for the other pack because it's really important to have two packs. You can use one for one family and two is if you're making for two families. And then we're just going to peel the there.
Good job, Noah.
Ooh, that's the best part. Like massaging cows, massaging meat from cows. Now, you make sure that there's everything. There cannot be a bit more because it's really important to put everything because then we eat it. And then after I'm just gonna mix it.
No, remember we have to massage it.
Massage it like a massage.
Oh, it feels so good.
It feels like slime.
I know. Now we're gonna put the meat with the onions. Noah, shall we?
Oh, the olives are a very important ingredient, right, Chef Jazmin? We're going to start just organizing our...
I'm mixing the onions with the meat and the pepper.
Now we're going to be cutting these olives.
Try to cut them as small as you can.
She'll show it right now.
We're gonna keep this pepper. It is edible, my bad.
You can have anything inside. You can have any type of olive, right?
But remember, if there's an olive and this is venomous, please take it off. Now we're finished with the olives. We're gonna put them inside them. And remember, look at my sour food. 1 second. And look at mine.
I don't have one. This is mine. I'm gonna take the top off and then we're gonna put the olives because it's really hot. Wait about how many more minutes, guys?
5 minutes.
No, 5 minutes. Good luck. Look at our meat. It's nice and golden and ready to shine. Be careful because it's really hot and you can burn yourself really easy. So now we're going to put half of the meat into for one family and half of the meat for the other family. One for my family, one for their family. So now we're just going to be slowly starting to put the meat.
Should I help you?
Yeah, and we're just going to oh, you have to smell this.
Smell. We're gonna switch containers so I can put the mashed potato. Smash. Now we're gonna put the mashed potatoes. Let's do it. Now we're gonna do it. Watch. I'm gonna go like this.
That's the technical part. Then she's gonna show you the song that she invented.
That slowly so you don't break. Imagine it's glass and you're petting it. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 350. So we're gonna switch. Now.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is happy.
I'm gonna put all the potatoes on the top and do the same thing as Jazmin. Make sure this is spread around and smash it up. We're gonna leave it in the oven for 15 minutes.
And in the meantime, you are able to relax or do whatever you need to. And then about 5 minutes after 15 minutes, you can get the mashed potato and then have it as your dinner or lunch or breakfast.
Talent time.
That's what I see in your
Talent.
Well,
Can't
just
do
that.
something
Talent.
I
Okay,
think that's what we
found.
found. Are you listening?
Talent.
You think I'm
That's
that
not
good?
it. Talent. I
Might as
might as well
well
take